Cut it out, Pete. Well, welcome back. Got a video worked on, and after I got to watching what I'd filmed, I realized it didn't say a whole lot of stuff. But the video you're gonna see today is I went and put a Cobra style grill in. It's the first time I ever done a how-to video, and it's really not how-to. It's a pretty simple job. But anyways, I realized that I didn't say, hey, like, subscribe, share, all that stuff. I'm just an old dude, got a Mustang and some little toy project stuff around here. Not toys, but yeah, I guess so. Mustang, the bike, and the Jeep, like I showed you on the 2025 beginning video. But anyways, it's my first crack at it, and nothing scripted, just come off my cuff, you know, off the top of my head, so to speak. I am repping a 50 Asylum podcast and Hicks House Videos merch. So if you don't listen or watch those guys, check them out. Having said all that, have a good day, night, evening, wherever you're watching this. Give us a like, share, and subscribe. We out. First install video. What we're gonna do today? I hope so. Let's cut this template out and install this Cobra like bumper grill. Cut that one out. Alright, so this kit's basically for a GT, where in the GT you'll have this, it's like a solid piece. As you can see, I'm using an LX, and really I think the only thing you really have to worry about is cutting here and here, whereas the GT would have all this full in. You'd want to know where to exactly cut so you wouldn't cut up higher. I think we're going to be good if I stay inside here. There's nothing here. I mean, you're going to mount to this surface and this surface. So I think really on an LX, I think I would do is cut this bar here, and probably, well, you know, you'll cut across here and then up here, and then the piece is going to fit in. It's not going to fit like a GT will have this as a mounting point, but this one, as you can see, doesn't. So I think we'll be all right on that. Been wrong before. Could probably screw up my bumper, but it's only money. Also, I'm going to use a handy dandy tool that I got in a Craftsman kit. I've got one that's wired in, but I got this here little ziggy-zaggy thing here, and we're going to use that to cut into that plastic. And I'm hoping it's not going to make me look like I snorted a whole bunch of fiberglass and plastic. I've seen people use body saws and such as that, and it looks like it makes a pretty good mess on it. This thing here is pretty tame as far as how it cuts. So we're gonna use that. I'm gonna set you back up on the what am I talking about? Oh, time lapse. Then we'll go from there. you can see, did a pretty decent job on it. I did have to place a blade, but for the most part, the seal's tight there. The seal's pretty good there. I just have to get this two-sided tape on. I can't find the little thing I bought that it's a sanding attachment that goes on there. I just set it down here. Probably it's on the video showing me where I moved it to, but I think it may have fell off in all the grinding. Anyhow, I get that done, and the two-sided tape stuck on, and we'll be good to go.